Hello, my dear student, class 10. Now, prepared for Madhyamik, we have to make a proper plan because without plan, no one will reach to the success. So, now what is the circumstances? You have to complete the syllabus first. And after all, the series will going on about the preparation of Madhyamik. যারা মাধ্যমিকের স্টুডেন্ট আছো ক্লাস 10 তাদের জন্য আমি বলছি যে একটা প্ল্যানিং করতে হবে, সেই প্ল্যানিং অনুযায়ী চলতে হবে। এবার আমরা যেটা আলোচনা করতে শুরু করবো সেটা হচ্ছে লেসন 1, ফাদার সেলফ। ফাদার সেলফ এইভাবে আমি যে আমাদের দুটো তিনটে পড়া আমাদের বাকি আছে প্রথম পর্বে, সেগুলো করার পরেই আমরা কিন্তু এই সঙ্গে আমরা চালিয়ে যাব মাধ্যমিক প্রিপারেশন অ্যাজ পার কোশ্চেন ব্যাংক। Now, my dear students, start. Father Selves, written by R.K. Narayan. So, before going to the main lesson, I want to know about R.K. Narayan. The full name is Rashipuram Krishna Swami I.R. Narayan Swami. Father's Help, written by R.K. Narayan. The first question is, what is the full name of R.K. Narayan? The full name is Rashipuram Krishna Swami I.R. Narayan Swami. নামটা কিন্তু মনে রাখবে। He was born in 1906, 10th October in Madras. In the childhood, he attended many different schools like LM School, CRC High School, Christian College High School, and finally Maharaja College High School. And this Maharaja College High School was really remembered in his whole life because his father was working there as a teacher. And the library, his father's library, which was most helpful in his life, because this library provide him a different kinds of literary books, and it's actually creates a literary essence. R.K. নারায়ণের যেটা জীবনী শুরু হয়েছিল মাদ্রাস থেকে, বিভিন্ন স্কুলে তিনি যোগদান করেছিলেন, পড়াশোনা করেছিলেন, কিন্তু শেষ যেটা মহারাজা কলেজ হাই স্কুল তার কাছে চিরস্মরণীয়, কারণ এখানেই তার বাবা এখানে টিচার ছিলেন এবং এখানে লাইব্রেরি তাকে অনেক বেশি আগ্রহী করে তুলেছিল টু বি আ লিটারারি ডায়েট, টু বি আ লিটারারি ওয়ার্কার, সাহিত্যিক হিসাবে পদার্পণ করার জন্য। I am discussing all about this R.K. Narayan just to give you the idea why he had written these kinds of writings. So R.K. Narayan always wants to write down some fictitious story about the children's child psychology, about the human psychology, what he actually thought, and also write down some very easy language, lucid language, what always attract all kinds of readers. Started his career at his early age, and up to 60 years, near about 60 years, he worked as a writing career. He wrote so many stories. Out of that, Malgudi Days was most important, Swami and Friend, The Bachelor of Arts, The Dark Room, The Guide. The Guide is famous because it's also making a film, movie, cinema তৈরি হয়েছিল। So all these writings included the story about the Malgudi town, a fictitious town, which provides a different picture, different scenario, what the normal children are dreamed in his whole life. So in that manner, R.K. Narayan was really popular among the children and the people who actually enjoy the life in his dream. This great man was died on May 13, 2001 at the age of 86 years. Now come to the point. The story Father's Help. It's a help from a father. It's very easy. So throughout the story, if we discuss So before going to the story, R.K. Narayan also received some valuable awards like, Padma Vibhushan, Sahitya Academy, A.C. Benson Medal, etc. in his whole life. Now, why it is father self? Now, the edited story actually taken, this story, father self actually taken from the male story Malgudi Days. And Malgudi Days about a child named Swaminathan who normally unwilling to go to school. It's a normal psychology of the children. But his father actually forced him to go to school because it is his duty. So the story actually explores, actually published the different kinds of events and that how Swaminathan's character actually changed. And finally, the father later actually gives a dramatic change in his mind and he comes to a practical life. অর্থাৎ ফাদার্স হেল্প ব্যাপারটা লজিক্যালি যদি আমরা ভাবি তাহলে দেখব যে একটা বাবার চিঠি কিভাবে একটা ছেলেকে সত্যিকারে তার লেজি মাইন্ড থেকে অ্যাক্টিভ মাইন্ডে নিয়ে যায় এবং সে তার ভুল বুঝতে পারে. He was actually changed his mind and ultimately he got a new world. So the story is actually depends upon the Swaminathan, mother, father, Samuel, the teacher and headmaster. It's a drama from house to school and school to house. It's type of story. So what is the theme of the story? One day, Swaminathan, in the Monday morning, Swaminathan was really lazy to go to school and he informed to his mother that he didn't want to go to school. So, the mother was really lovable to his son. So, mother ordered him to stay home. But his father was very strict. Swaminathan know very well. So, in that circumstances, when father asked him about the school, Swaminathan showed some lame excuse that is he had a headache. So he didn't want to go to school. But his father was very strict about the school going children and he ordered him, yes, he must be ready, and he write down some letter to his teacher what will help him to any kind of rebuked any kind of obstacles in the school. But Swaminathan never be, and finally he have to go to the school. So on the way to the school, he actually thought that what he explained about his teacher Samuel, whether it was wrong or right, and what had his father was wrote down in the letter, maybe it's give him the more punishment in the school for the falsehood explanation, or maybe he hadn't done the homework. But actually happened different things in the school. On that way, Samuel became more friendly, more good to him, and ultimately he got a good impressions in the school. Though he had not delivered the letter because the absence of a teacher, but that later actually changed the mind and ultimately he became more active than the past. That was the story. Now come to the unit 1. Lying bed, Swami realized with a shudder that it was Monday morning. It looked as though only a moment ago it was Friday, already Monday was here. He hoped he didn't have to go to school. So this paragraph actually provides you that Swami realized, Swami sensed or understood, Swami understood or realized with a quiver, with a severe tremor, একটা কাঁপুনি তার মনের মধ্যে এসেছিল. সে বিছানায় শুয়ে শুয়ে যেন ভাবছিল it was Monday morning. And it looked as though only a moment ago it was Friday. কিছুক্ষণ আগেই তার মনে হচ্ছিল কি, a moment ago, মুহূর্তের আগে তার মনে হয়েছিল it was Friday. So he hoped he didn't have to go to school. Maybe he would not go to school. সে মনে মনে আশা করেছিল, he hoped, he expected that he wouldn't go to school. ওয়ার্ড নোটসগুলো কিন্তু করতে হবে, এইভাবে ওয়ার্ড নোটসগুলো একটু করবে, সো ইট উইল গিভ ইউ দ্য মোর বুস্টিং ইন ইউর ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ। তাহলে ফার্স্ট প্যারাগ্রাফটায় অ্যাকচুয়ালি ল্যামেন্টেড দ্যাট হোয়াট ডিড স্বামী থিঙ্ক অন হিজ বেড, হোয়াট ডিড স্বামী থিঙ্ক on his bed. At 9 o'clock, Swaminathan wailed, I have a headache. When it was going on till 9 o'clock, it is time to go to school, he now groaned loudly, he crying loudly that he had an headache. আমি কিন্তু ইনভার্টেড কমাগুলোর সব ন্যারেশন চেঞ্জ করে করে যাব, তোমরা কিন্তু এগুলো লিখবার সময় ন্যারেশন চেঞ্জ করে দেবে। Mother generously suggested that Swami might stay home at 9:30 when he ought to have been in the school prayer hall. Swami was lying on the bench in mother's room. Mother generously suggested that Swami might stay at home. Mothers are generally simple. Mothers are generally indifferent, be affectionate to his children. একটু বাচ্চাদের প্রতি তারা অ্যাফেকশনেট হয়েই থাকে, তাই মাদার জেনারাসলি উদারভাবে ইনডিফারেন্টলি তিনি কি বলেন, yes you may stay at home. But at 9:30, when the clock is now striking at 9:30, what happened? It was the time that Swami would be in the prayer hall and do the prayer in the school. But what did Swami do on the time at 9:30? He was lying on the floor, on the bench in mother's room. মায়ের ঘরে সে কিন্তু তখন শুয়ে আছে at 9:30, কিন্তু তার কোথায় থাকা উচিত ছিল? He had to stay at the, he had to do in the prayer hall to do the prayer. Father asked him, have you no school today? Father asked him whether he had no school that day. Swami replied, headache. Swami replied positively that he had an headache. Nonsense, dress up and go. Father angrily noticed that he was a nonsense and ordered him to dress up and go. Father কিন্তু খুব রেগে গিয়েছিল, তাকে খুব রেগে গিয়ে ননসেন্স বলে ড্রেস আপ করে তাকে অর্ডার দিয়েছিল জামা কাপড় পরে স্কুল যাওয়ার জন্য। হেডেক, রিপিটেডলি স্বামী tried to make him understand that he had an headache. He had a problem. Laugh about less on Sunday and you will without a headache on Monday. Laugh about. That laugh about means you are actually grooming around lazily. তুমি অলসভাবে এমনভাবে কাটলে কোনগুলো, রবিবারগুলো এবার থেকে একটু কম করে ঘুরে বেড়িও। If you grooming around in the Sunday with the lazily, so it's a normal headache in the Monday. So don't do that. You will without a headache on Monday. যদি তুমি রবিবারটা না করো, so you will don't get any headache on the Monday. Swami knew how strict his father could be, so he changed the tactics. He knew very well that his father was very strict and he had to go to school. তাকে স্কুল যেতেই হবে. So he changed the plan. And what is the plan? Tactics means plan, mood or method actually changed him. I can't go to school late to the school means he now make him understand that he was already late. So in that late hours he would not go to school. In that sense it is quite clear from here fathers এখান থেকে এইখান পর্যন্ত কিন্তু তোমরা summarize করবে. So it will give you the more idea about the lesson. Now come to the second, unit 2. Unit 2 তে আমরা যদি আসি, so এখানেও কিছু ওয়ার্ডস আছে যে ওয়ার্ডসগুলো তোমাকে কিন্তু এটা করবে কাজগুলো। So that's all. Swami was really knows the matter. What he knows, that his father would not allow him to stay, so he changed the plan. Planটা চেঞ্জ করলো। কি প্ল্যান চেঞ্জ করলো? যে he was late, he would not go to school. Swami hoped that with this his father would be made to see why he must avoid school for the day. But father's behavior took an unexpected turn. He proposed to send a letter with Swami to the headmaster. No amount of protest from Swami would make him change his mind. So Swami যেটা আশা করেছিল, he hoped that this his father would be made to see why he must avoid school for that day. Might be his father would investigate the matter. Might be his father wanted to know the reason that why he would not go to school, why he would not want to stay in the school, but his father's behavior took a different turn. What is the unexpected turn to hear? অপ্রত্যাশিত একটা ভাব চলে এলো তার মধ্যে কি না, his father wrote down a letter. His father suggested him, his father proposed him, okay, you just got ready, I'm writing a letter to the headmaster. And no amount protest now. Swami had no plan, no protest against his father to avoid this. So he had to go to school. By this time, Swami was ready to leave for school. Father had composed a long letter to the headmaster. He put in the envelope and sealed it. During the moment, Jesomita Swami actually get ready to school, on that time his father actually wrote down the letter and sealed it inside the envelope. খামের মধ্যে ভরে দিল. What have you written, father? Swami asked apprehensively, very eagerly. He wants to know what actually his father wrote down. তার বাবা কি লিখেছে চিঠিটার মধ্যে এটা জানার তার কিন্তু খুব ইচ্ছে ছিল. He was really means deeply wanted to know, though there is a fear. তার মধ্যে একটা ভয় কাজ করছিল যে কি লিখে দিয়েছে. What he has written? Nothing for you. Give it to your headmaster and go to your class. You don't worry about it. His father noticed that he did not worry about the matter. It was not for him. Nothing for you. He didn't write anything about him. তার সম্বন্ধে কিছু লেখেনি. He go to the headmaster. He must just disperse the letter to the headmaster and go to the class. Have you written anything about our teacher Samuel? Now he was in fearful. Swaminathan was in fearful, and he wants to know whether he had written something about the Samuel. Samuel সম্পর্কে কোনো লিখেছে কিনা? Yes, plenty of things. His father positively replied that he had written so many things, plenty enough, about the teacher Samuel. What has he done, father? Again the Swaminathan asked whether what he had done. He asked his father what he had done, means what he had actually written about Samuel. Everything is there in the letter. Give it to your headmaster. Means these lines actually provide you that how strict a father to be. If a father to be strict, then a student never be irresponsible. So now it is quite problematic to Swami to avoid to go to school. Swami went to school feeling that he was the worst boy on earth. His conscience bothered him. He was not at all sure if his descriptions of Samuel had been accurate. He felt that he had mixed up the real and the imagined. It's a normal view of these children. To avoid the school, they have given a different negative and positive expressions about their teacher. Swami went to school feeling, Swami on the way to go to school, he felt that he was the worst boy, bad boy, most bad boy in the world. His conscience bothered him. His conscience, his realization, the moral sense of right and wrong, whether he had given the right things or not. His conscience actually bothered him. It's actually make him, thinking. He perturbed. It's actually make him embarrassed. তাকে কিন্তু একটা কি বলে ওটাকে বিব্রত অবস্থার মধ্যে ফেলে দিয়েছিল. That he was not at all sure. সে কিন্তু নিশ্চিত ছিল না. He was not to be sure whether the descriptions about Samuel were accurate, it is correct or not. He felt he had mixed up the real and the imagined. He knew very well that whatever he gave the descriptions about Samuel, there was something wrong and something error is there, something right and something wrong, means something imagined. কিছুটা কল্পনা, ড্রিমড, কল্পনার স্বপ্নের কথা সে কিছু বলে দিয়েছিল. সো ওয়েদার ইট ওয়াজ কারেক্ট অর ইনকারেক্ট. অর্থাৎ স্বামী এখানে কিন্তু একটা পাজলড অবস্থার মধ্যে আছে অন দ্য ওয়ে টু দ্য স্কুল আফটার গেটিং দ্য লেটার. Swami stopped in the roadside to make up his mind about Samuel. Now he was stopped. He thought whether what he would do, what is the planning before going to the school. Means his mind was mixed up. Samuel was not such a bad man after all. Personally, he was much more friendly than the other teachers. Swami also felt Samuel had a special regard for him. Now, what is the originality? When you are in the problems, you actually thinking about the originality. Means Samuel was personally very much friendly, very much attractive with the normal student. and he was really different from the other. He has a special regard, special love to him. Really, what is the real fact? Real fact, the Samuel was a good teacher. He was most friendly to the students. Swami head was dizzy with confusion. Dizzy with confusion means it's a puzzling situations. Dizzy with confusion means it's a unbalanced thing. He was confused. He was really doubtful whether he would go to school or not, he would enter the school or not. He could not decide if Samuel really deserved the allegation made against him in the letter. Means he thought, what are the allegation, the blame actually given by his father according to his explanation, he was really deserved. সে কি পেতে পারে, তার কি এগুলো ডিজার্ভ করার ব্যাপার আছে? হি ওয়াজ ওয়ার্দি অফ হিম, যোগ্য ছিল সে না নয়? The more he thought of Samuel, the more Swami grieved for him. To recall Samuel's dark face, his thin mustache, unshaven cheek, and yellow coat filled Swaminathan with sorrow. So it was the appearance of the Samuels. That what is the appearance of Samuels is the thin mustache, patla se gopta, unshaven cheek, galgulo, dadi bhorti, yellow coat filled Swaminathan with his sorrow. It was so sad, so grief he was by thinking that, oh, what a nice man, and I have given the wrong explanations about him. So he was also in a grief. He was in a pity about the teachers, about his descriptions. So yes, my dear students, and that's all. Today I am now completing about step unit 1 and unit 2. I have given some questions also on the way of writing, on the way of the description. তোমরা কিন্তু এই এক্সারসাইজটা করবে, এক্সারসাইজগুলো করে in my WhatsApp number 798 868 74 62 এই নাম্বারে পাঠিয়ে দেবে. I will try my level best to check up it. If anything problems, you just try to do it. So unit 1, unit 2 এই দুটোর কিন্তু এক্সারসাইজগুলো করবে. নেক্সট ডে I will complete the unit 3. এবং যত তাড়াতাড়ি সম্ভব আমরা কিন্তু এই সিলেবাসটা শেষ করব. এরপরে আমাদের যে পার্টটা রয়েছে সেটা হচ্ছে আমাদের ফেবল পড়ব, এবং তারপর আমরা ফেবলের পরের যে পড়াটা আমাদের রয়েছে গান্ধীজি, সেটা আমরা দেখব. অ্যান্ড আলটিমেটলি we'll complete the syllabus and going to a series. Wait for this Madhyamik 1, 2, 3, 4 করে আমরা একটা সিরিজ তৈরি করছি. Thank you very much for watching this channel.